How to improve programming logic? Everyone can improve logic. Follow these steps to get started. 1. Think to solve. Split the big problem into small pieces. Write pseudocode on paper. 2. Practice. This is crucial. If you want to become better, you have to practice, practice and practice. 3. Learn DAs and algorithms. This will give you a better plan to focus your problems and have efficient software. 4. Play games. Games like chess and other similar logical games will improve your logic. 5. Learn coding paradigms. A paradigm is like a blueprint to follow to create our projects. Learn functional programming, solve problems differently. 6. Read books. You'll find plenty of solved examples that can help you to improve your logic.